We don't know. We don't know you, so we don't know what you're doing other than what we see in front of us. Like right now, what I can touch on is what I see in front of me. What I see in front of me is what's your name again? Levi. Brother Levi, you still ain't keeping commandments. You got your head covered while we bringing out the Bible. You're not fellowshipping on the Sabbath. You out here doing I don't know what, but you ain't with nobody. You don't got fringes on. You understand? So I can tell you these are things that I can touch on that you got to fix. So we have to be ready to correct that when us as individuals, when our obedience is fulfilled. Right. So when you have fixed when you have started keeping commandments, when you started keeping God's laws, till you've done that, you can't really be out here trying to correct people. I'm not saying that's what you're doing, but that's in general, that's what we all got to make sure we ain't doing.
Right. So Malachi ends, and what begins? The Apocrypha. The Apocrypha. It's called the intertestamental period. And how did you get that? How did we get that? They got them online. You can't buy it today. You know what I'm saying? You got to wait till the sun go down. Yeah. But they got them online. 1611 KJV. We can write it down for you. Believe in multiple wives? I don't know. I'm just asking. I believe in both. You can't go. Give me James 1:8 real quick. Give me James 1:8. Wait. Hold on, because look, you can't believe in everything, bruh. You can't be a follower of God and say, oh, but I believe in the book of the devil.
The book of Hosea, chapter 5 and verse 15. I will go and return to my place till they acknowledge their offense.
Right now is the time where we have to acknowledge our offenses or our sins. Right. We got to acknowledge them.